Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll learn how to calculate dividend yield in Excel. Dividend yield is a financial ratio that shows how much cash an investor receives from dividends relative to the market price of a stock. It's expressed as a percentage and helps investors understand the return they're getting from dividends alone, apart from any changes in stock price. To calculate the dividend yield, we divide annual dividends per share by market price per share. Then we need to format result as percentage. Click the percentage icon in the number group on the Home tab. A dividend yield of 5% means that for every dollar invested in the stock, an investor can expect to earn 5 cents in dividends annually. This is a helpful metric for comparing the income potential of different stocks and making informed investment decisions. And that's how you calculate dividend yield in Excel. It's a simple but powerful tool for evaluating investment income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe,